first off, we're going to fold it in half, like so. Perfectly in half, okay? Next, we're going to fold it again. So we have something that looks like that. Next, we're going to open it up again and fold each corner up like this. Good job. Good job. And fold up the next one, and it looks something like that. Okay? Now let's make some wings. So you're going to grab one corner, and we're going to see how there's the point here. We're going to bring it all the way down until there's a point it's touching, like that. Fold it down until it looks like that. Okay? Next, we're going to do the other side. So let's find that point and then make it nice and even. So it looks like that. Okay? Good job. Now, we're going to fold these down. So we got 1 and 2 sides here, okay? Now, the first one, we're going to measure maybe 1 finger on the side, and that's how far we're going to fold it down to. So 1 finger, and then fold it in half like so. So it looks something like that. Next, we're going to get this one and do the exact same thing, but we're going to leave a little bit less of a gap, and we're going to fold that down as well. So you should see a V. Good job. Now we're going to flip it over, and we're going to get, see how there's 2 straight edges here? We're going to fold the edge down until it reaches the crease in the middle. Looks something like that, okay? And next, we're going to do the other side as well. Fold, 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 until that is in the middle as well. So it looks something like that. If you want, you can get a bit of sticky tape and sticky tape right in the middle there. So it stays like that. And then we're going to flip it over. And we're finished. Good job. So let's draw some eyes. So we'll draw 1 little eye, 2 little eye. Next, we're done, we're finished. Good job. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please stay safe. See you next time.